guys, welcome back to the lab.
Welcome back to our channel. My dad's a science teacher.
Today we'll be making elephant toothpaste.
It's a very fun experiment. It's my dad's favorite. It's a very simple experiment. So, okay, don't get the wrong idea. It's not actual toothpaste. It's very dangerous to put in your mouth.
So let's get started.
Okay. There's 4 words we want you to know: chemical reaction, decomposition, catalyst, and exothermic. So a chemical reaction is a change in a substance that gives you a new product. Type of chemical reaction that we have for you is decomposition. And decomposition usually takes a really long time. So we have something called a catalyst, which our catalyst today is sodium iodide, and that speeds up the decomposition. And in every chemical reaction, the reaction either gives off heat or takes in heat. And when it gives off heat, it's called exothermic. When it takes in heat, it's called endothermic. And this one that we have is exothermic.
Joe, tell me what we're going to need.
For the experiment, we're going to need a Florence flask, a beaker, and a graduated cylinder.
We're also going to need 30% reagent grade hydrogen peroxide, sodium iodide, and soap.
Right, what else could we use?
We could use food coloring, but
This is not a kitchen, so we don't have it.
Yeah, plus we're just out of it, right?
Yeah, we're just out of it.
All right, what about the hydrogen peroxide there? Tell me about that.
Yes.
Can we buy it in stores like that?
Neither of these can be bought in stores, and yeah, this one's dangerous.
Okay, and go.
Just like any experiment, we're going to be wearing these.
Everybody looks good in safety goggles.
Okay. First, you have to make your sodium iodide solution. So you take about 25 grams of sodium iodide. It's about 1 scoop. So if
Lay that to the side and scoop that out and get a good heaping spoon of it.
Heaping spoon. Ah, come on.
This never goes well with him.
There we go.
That's good. Okay.
Pretty good. And then
Put this down there.
Get a little bit more of that. That wasn't a very heaping spoon. There we go. 25 grams, really close to 25 grams. Now, Joe, be very careful. We're using a piece of paper as a funnel to pour it into the what?
Into the Florence flask.
All right, let's see if we can do that without dumping it everywhere. Aim it, aim it.
I'll try to catch any extra.
No, that's perfect.
Okay,
perfect.
there,
Now,
good.
to make the solution, what do we have to add?
Water. 35 milliliters of water.
All right.
Pour that on in.
I'm not gonna go well, but
Oh, come on.
this is a bit dumb.
Did you dump it down his hand?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, in this case, maybe we should be wearing some gloves too. But at least that's just water.
It's just water.
Okay. What are you doing with that, Joe?
Mixing it.
All right. Be careful, man.
You're just kind of like, no.
And the good thing about a Florence flask,
What can you do really well in a Florence flask?
mix it.
Mix it.
That's what we like about it.
Nope, still got a little bit in there.
Still some because it's probably because we dumped most of the water down Davis's hand.
Very funny.
Okay, Joe. Hey, Joe, just go in one direction, okay? Just one. Because whenever you switch and go the opposite direction, it sloshes up. I don't want that dumped on your hand, okay? Go ahead and set it back down. Does it look like we've pretty much dissolved all of the sodium iodide?
Tiny bit in there.
That looks good.
All right, put the sodium iodide out of the way.
Soap time.
Yep. And then we add a couple drops of soap.
A few drops, right? Let's see
How
how much.
three? How
Let's see
three?
how much.
1,
Just tell us when to stop.
2.
Oh, that's good right there. That's probably pretty good.
Right
Now,
that looks
switch that up a little bit more.
Mix it real good. Wait, we're reusing that one next.
All right, are you ready? Let's do this. Let's set that right there.
Because hydrogen peroxide is so dangerous, our dad had to pour it for us. So I'm gonna pour it in here.
And then back away really fast.
Go.
I took my goggles off before the experiment. That's a major lab foul.
Oh!
That was a good one.
Jove, Michael.
I took my goggles off before the experiment. That's a major lab foul.
It's bored the whole
So-
time. All right, so I'm ready.
Okay, we started out with hydrogen peroxide, went through a process called decomposition. What made it go faster was the catalyst which we used, which is sodium iodide. Decomposition breaks it into what it's made out of, breaks the hydrogen peroxide into what it's made out of, which is hydrogen, oxygen. Oxygen come out with the soap, makes suds, made lots of suds. And if you saw the steam coming off of it, it released a lot of heat, which makes this an exothermic reaction.
All right, so we're going to make a bigger explosion this time, a bigger chemical reaction. So what are we going to do?
For this one, we're going to use 75 grams of sodium iodide.
Okay, we both have goggles on this time, and we're going to add 40 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide to it. Joe, are you ready?
This is gonna.
It's got to be quick. It's got to be quick.
Now.
Oh jeez!
Oh, that scared me
That
then.
scared me.
Tell me, put your hand over the top of that right now. Can you feel anything?
Yeah, there's some heat.
Is it some heat?
The glass isn't too hot.
That's warm.
That's warm, isn't it?
Yeah.
Warm, definitely.
Gave off a lot of energy, didn't it?
Yeah. So
Wow.
Wow.
that scared me more than I thought it would.
All right, so we have a lot of cleanup to do, don't we?
Yeah.
Wear your goggles
A lot of cleanup.
the whole time. I think we see why we needed to wear our goggles.
Paper.
Oh yeah, why is it yellow? Why is all this stuff yellow? What part of the catalyst makes this yellow?
The iodide.
The iodine.
Iodine.
Yeah, the iodine. And look what happens.
Paper got
Iodine
singed.
can be a starch test, and look what happens when it lands on paper.
It.
It turns brown, doesn't it?
Ready?
Yep. And now.
Well, just like every lab, fortunately now it's cleanup time.
Yeah, some serious cleanup.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah, we have to. We're like.
If we got that, it's not like nothing else.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our elephant toothpaste video. We really hope you enjoyed it. We should have another video coming out soon.
Don't forget to like and subscribe down below.
See you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.